Good morning, YouTube. So, this is going to be a get ready with me for work / morning routine kind of video. Okay? So, let's get started. I have my toothbrush and my toothpaste, so my mouth could be squeaky clean, so I don't have to talk in people's face and they smell shit, basically. So, yeah, no, my mouth never smells like shit, but you guys get it. Like, if you don't brush your teeth, yeah. So, here we are. My mouth is squeaky clean. Now I have the Bioré baking soda pore cleanser to wash my face. I wash my face with this product every single day, you guys. So I just put a pump in my hand and I put it all over my face. You guys are going to see me put another pump in my hand so I can wash the top part of my face because I just feel like I didn't have enough on my hand to mix around with my whole entire face. And if you guys hear sirens in the back, sorry. So yeah, so I'm just washing my face and taking my rag and getting all of that soap off my face. Yo, these sirens is crazy. What they doing? What am I doing? Okay, so now I have this gift from one of my parents at work. It's called the sukí, I guess. And you have to wet your hands and take a small amount of product. And I took a lot. But it's to exfoliate your skin because it says exfoliate foaming cleanser. I don't know what the hell that means, but I guess. But this product is amazing, you guys. I don't really put stuff on my face that people give me because you're not really supposed to, but whatever. But it was a gift, and I was like, let me try it, and I got it on my face ever since. Like, I use this product every day. I'm gonna come back in 5 minutes. Oh yeah, I have to use mouthwash before you guys be like, oh, she didn't use mouthwash. I use some mouthwash and it's mine, so yes, I can put my mouth on it or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes or whatever the case might be because I have to go change my clothes. So this product gets hard, I guess, the more buildup you have. So like because I have had a lot of product and I left it on my face, it got hard. And I'm just so happy that this product is like you could wash it off and not peel it off because nobody has time to be pulling that shit off all over your face. So these sirens still coming, like. But yeah, I'm just washing my face and shit like that, and that was about it. So now let's get into this here. And I have the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion just to moisturize my face. My face gets dry a lot. So I have that product just to moisturize my face. Now let's get into this wiggy. Yes, I have to do my hair before I go to work. So I'm going to just basically detangle my hair and stuff like that. Guys, I am so sorry for these sirens. Like, if you really hear it, I know you can hear it. Like, I'm so tired of it. But I am going to detangle my hair. This wig was sewn onto my head. I sewed it on my head. And bitch, I took it off like the next day or something like that because this is my Remington Flatiron, the best flat iron that I have ever purchased on Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, on eBay for $20 or whatever the case might be. So, yeah, I'm not going to tell you what hair this is in this video because, yeah, this hair is fucking garbage. But I sewed it on my head and I have to make it look pretty so I can go to work, right? Yeah, so I'm not going to be taking a little bit of pieces trying to get it bone straight. I just needed to look presentable so I could go to work. I wasn't in a rush, but I was kind of in a rush because I didn't even get the back of my hair and stuff like that. But who cares? Who's gonna tell me the back of my hair looks trash? Who? Nobody. That's who. So Yeah, so I'm going to be taking smaller pieces on every side. Well, not smaller pieces, but just pieces on every side. Just to fly my hair, just so my hair can look presentable for me to go to work. Now I have my Got to Be spray, and I'm going to spray that just right there on my hairline, right where the closure is. I'm going to hold it down because, yeah. And I have a big wipe because some of it dripped on my forehead. So, yes, this wig is not going anywhere. And blah, blah, blah. Let's get into this Beyonce moves. Yes, I was feeling like Beyonce, you guys. You guys just don't understand how much of a Beyonce I was this morning. Like, but if you guys really, 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 really like my videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so, 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 so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.